Hey guys, Ben here from Second Dynasty, burning the midnight oil so to speak, getting ready for our huge new launch for our next Kickstarter campaign, our fourth official Traveler campaign, and this time we're bringing you the small craft of the Traveler universe, 4 brand new ships and a bunch of other extras, and of course some golden oldies if you want to play catch up. We are launching on Wednesday, the 4th of October at 5 PM Central European Time. Join us at 4:30 for our official launch live stream. And by the way, if you are signed up to our newsletter before then, we will be drawing a random name to win a physical 20-ton launch printed by us here at Second Dynasty from our very own printers. Hope to see you there for the Kickstarter.